All right, guys, this is the Carnival Sunrise, room 1111 on the spa deck. When you come in the door, so I'm right here at the door as we speak, okay? When you walk in through the door, you have your bathroom here on the left. All right, full bathroom here.
Good afternoon, Carnival Sunrise guests. This is Captain Bruno speaking.
For those who do not know, the lights to the bathroom are outside of the door. So this one here is to the actual room, and then this one here is to the bathroom. So that one turns the light out in the bathroom. Okay. Before I move on, you have the magnets at the top that will hold the door open, and that is for the front door as well. Just a FYI. When you walk in, the storage is going to be on the right side of the room. There are 3 different areas to every time I record.
General emergency alarm signal.
Hold please. This first area here has the life jackets, and you do have some shelves at the top if you wanted to store anything additionally, or if you wanted to move the life jackets around, put them all at the bottom so you can put stuff there. I mean, however you want to do it, it's up to you. This area, since I'm on the spa deck, I get 2 rows. So you also have a full body mirror here. And in this one here, you have some extra pillows and to look like a blanket. Your safe here, some hangers, and another area here if you have storage. Right over here, you have a drawer that has the dryer. I got stuff in here already, but the hair dryer is in this one. And then you have a small refrigerator, and I already have mine stocked with water. And this is the room area. This light can cut off right here, but you do have, this is the only sockets that you do have. So if you have, forgot the name of that socket, but you have those. But you do have the USB ports right here on the bed, so that's a plus too. Right here, and you can also turn the light off right here as well. So that's a plus. Also, TV, you have more storage here, and you also have storage on this side as well. This is not a pull-out bed, it's just a couch, and you know, all that good stuff. So this is from 1111. Let me show you outside the balcony here. We are still at the Port of Miami right now, so we have not left, but this is the balcony. I don't know if y'all noticed that little piece. That's just because there is, I don't know how that works, but it's not broke, y'all. That's just how the balcony is made. And it's a beautiful day today. So if you are getting this room, I hope this video was useful to you. All right. Y'all have a great day.